everybody, my name is Hunter's Road Gaming. Welcome to Winner Takes All. I'm sure this is actually like a new horror game that Nennings made. I never played any of those games by Nennings for a very long time. I started to do a Forsaken jail, prison, and the Baby's Curse. God, all these games I remember going through. God, that was a lot of fun. But yeah, this is actually a new game. I thought it was like part of a Christmas in July, so I guess I'm gonna have to turn this up to like a master volume and... Okay, I'll turn it down a little. There we go. Alright, anyway, let's take it all. Day one. Day one? Okay. Talk to your family. Oh, here they are. Son, I can't provide for this family anymore. It's time for you to help. Gather the vegetables from the garden. Bring them back before nightfall. Gather all vegetables. Let's see, they're in the garden, so let me open them. No, close this door. Oh, you can't close the door. Alright. Here they are, there's a garden. Take, there we go. Okay, gather all vegetables, so it's onto the other, on each side, okay. Whoa, what's going on? I don't like that noise. Alright. There. And, where are the other gardens? So, okay. I think I should finish gathering the vegetables first. Okay, we'll go the other way now. Interact. Okay, the less time I spent in there, the better. Okay. Alright, so talk to my family. So I think we gathered all the fruit, the vegetables now. Doesn't he almost look like Hagrid, but just a bit skinny now? Well done, son. You helped this family today. Get some sleep. I'll have another task for you tomorrow. Alright, go to bed. Get some sleep. Okay, you did a good job today. Maybe I worry too much. Good night. Oh, I did not know you're in there. You brought everything back. Thank you for helping us. I'll make dinner now. You should get some rest. Alright. Okay, I was gonna talk to the whole family. Like the whole family members. Anyway, let's sleep. Day 2. Alright, so this is not like Five Nights at Freddy's or something? I don't know. Okay, before my accident, I set up rabbit traps in the forest. Check if they caught anything for us to eat. Follow the wooden signs through the woods. Bring back whatever you find. Thank you. Check the 4 rabbit traps. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So the arrow's pointing this way. We'll go this way now. And oh, there's something. Oh, what? A rat? Shit, okay. That's one. I thought it was like a rat or a rabbit. Who are they? Oh, they're rats. And the last one should do. Okay. Return to your family. Alright, let's go back. I didn't even want to walk into the bear traps because otherwise, that would suck. Hey, I see you. What if I did walk into it? That would hurt me so bad. Anyway, let's go back in. Alright. Return to my family. Well done, son. You did exactly what needed to be done. Get some rest tonight. I'll have another task for you tomorrow. Thank you for bringing food home. I was getting really hungry. I can't wait for dinner. You found something to eat. Thank you for helping this family. I'll prepare dinner right away. You should get some rest afterwards. Okay. God, why were they eating rats for dinner? That's so nasty. I thought they were like rabbits or something. Okay, day 3. Alright, talk to my family. What do you got from me? Take the rifle from the table. Oh, you got a gun, okay. Follow the wooden signs to the old traps. Deer often pass through that area. Bring one home for us. Alright. Okay. Do I have to aim or something? Okay, so this is like one of those deer hunting games. And then was it Ice Bear 2026? Yeah, I think it was Ice Bear 2026. I remember playing. Okay, there should be some deer. Oh, there's one. Oh, okay. God damn! Oh my god! Oh my god! I did it! I shot him! Ho! Look at that white-tailed deer! That's what I call it, white-tailed deer in the woods. Yeah! Alright. So I'll go back. God damn. I thought it was gonna get away in just one shape, but no, I got him. I thought he was like actually stuck on the bear trap. It would have been weird. Okay. Alright, return home. There we go. You did well today, son. This family depends on you now. Depends on you now. Get some sleep tonight. I'll have one last task for you tomorrow. You really are a hunter now. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm glad you're my brother. Oh, wow. Did not know I'm your brother. Thank you for taking care of us. Alright. And that's the mother. You brought food home again? You're becoming the man of the house. Your father must be proud. Thank you. Alright. Going back to bed. One last task to do. So it's the final day, day 4. What do you got? I see that on the table again. Take the rifle for the table again. Go back to the old hunting grounds. Winter is almost over. We only need a little more meat. Search and hunt deer. Okay. Whatever you say. Alright, where are you, dear? Where are you, Mr. Deer? Where are you, dear? You're around here? Wait. Why is there no wind noise? I don't hear anything. What is this? Kill the wolves! Uh-oh. Oh, this is... Oh, God! Oh, my God! Is that the Bowser roar? Oh! Okay! Oh! What? Oh! Shit! Oh, fuck! Bro, return to my family! Oh, run! 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 Okay! Oh, shit! I didn't even take any damage! Holy shit! Oh my God! I am so victorious! Flawless victory right there! Oh my God! That roar was just like fucking Bowser! I remember that! Oh my God! What the hell has happened? No! What happened here? Mother? Father? Footprints. Someone came here. I have to follow them. Oh. Wait, is that my sister or something? Oh God. Who could that be? Hello? Is anyone here? Okay. Alright. Follow the footprints. Maybe it's leading me somewhere. I don't know. Oh my God. There were like 2 wolves I have to hunt down, or was it just only 1? It would have been weird if there's... Wait, there's something here. Hello? Oh. What the hell? No! Sister! No! Who's there? Oh, kill the monster! Stupid werewolf! Yes, take that, stupid werewolf guy! Oh my God. What if I got attacked? Oh, hell! Whoa! Hi, I can't move. I can't move! What are those wolves doing here? The winner took everything. Oh my God. Really? The winner took everything now. Why was there no music? Hang on. Yeah. Yeah, there was no music after all. But I had to turn up the music volume, but there was no music. Or otherwise, that would have been like... What was that? Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching. That was Winner Takes All. I'm sure I have never got killed, but I'm gonna see, this is why I never... Okay. Anyway, sorry. I actually had to cut it out right here, but thanks for watching. Sorry, if that really confused you all, my apologies. I didn't want to take any damage or so, but that was actually quite fair for me, not taking any damage, but having flawless victory, like Mortal Kombat will say, flawless victory. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoy Winner Takes All on Christmas in July, make sure to leave a like, stay 20% cooler, be ready for the real action, guys. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch. If you haven't already, the link will be down in the description below. As always, I'll see you then in the next video. Goodbye!